Hello YouTube, this is Cubing Buddy, and this is my magical cube solving box. So what you do is you take your cube, and then you just go through. Wait, this is not what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to come out solved. This is wrong. Let me try that again. Okay, so here's the scrambled cube. Okay. Let's try it from a little bit farther back. Wait. No, this is crazy. Why isn't this working? Okay, so I'm gonna go as far back as I can. Take it, put it behind. Wait. Fine. One final time. Ah, here we go. Nice solved cube. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.